What's going on, guys? It's Dylan Hill back with another video today. And today, I know it's a little bit different with me not on my motorcycle, giving you motorcycle content. So sorry about that. I wanted to just get this video out here because I'm not going to be able to ride for a couple days due to the weather and just busy with a bunch of other stuff. Been super busy lately. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for the 1,000 subscribers, man. We just hit 1,000 subscribers. Now we're over 1,000 subscribers, and I really can't appreciate you guys enough. When I first started this channel, I didn't even think I was going to get 10 subscribers. And I've been doing YouTube for probably 8-9 months now, and we just hit over 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys for all of your support, man. You guys have been great. I really enjoy making YouTube videos for you guys. It's a lot of fun. I enjoy it a lot. I'd say the biggest thing for me is when you guys tell me that I inspired you to start riding a motorcycle, and I'm the reason that you guys decided to buy a Yamaha R3. You know, I went out and bought one with zero experience, and then sharing my experience with you guys. So that's my favorite part, is listening to you guys tell me that I inspired you to go out there and get a motorcycle, because that's what I want to do. I want to inspire more people to go out there and ride. So anyway, guys, I'll probably put some just past videos of me riding in this video, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for the 1,000 subscribers. We are monetized now, so that's pretty awesome. Continue to leave your guys' video suggestions in the comment box below. It really helps me have ideas for the next videos. I'm going to do a 200-mile ride here soon. I've been talking about this for a while. This is the one I've been looking forward to the most. Snow is pretty much melted back home where I live, so that one's going to be a lot of fun. That's going to be really cool. It's going to be lakes, mountains, whole bunch of scenery, twisties. It's going to be awesome. And I'll take you around my hometown, the view over the lake. I mean, it's going to be so cool. So I really can't wait to show you guys that one. Before I do that one, I'm going to do chain maintenance on my bike. My chain's filthy, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that. That was actually a requested video as well. And 85% of you aren't even subscribed to the channel. So if you like the videos and you want to be part of this channel, do me a huge favor. It's free. Hit the subscribe button, hit this like button. And if you want to unsubscribe like all the other people who have, then it doesn't hurt me. I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. So thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Reality haunts the living mind. If I saw another day, only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to realize.